Hello, my dear students. Once again, we are here with a very special success story of one of our students, Sanjay Anand. So Sanjay has done his integrated BSMS program from Indian Institute of Science Education Research, Mohali in biological sciences. And he was preparing for NET-JRF in the regular program at center along with the live online program. In that series, he qualified the NET-LS in very first attempt, and he was also giving the entrances and interview of all the other good university. In that series, he qualified the entrance as well as the interview at Central University of Rajasthan in the Department of Environmental Sciences and got the final PhD position. On this achievement, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Sanjay and wish him good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering NET-JRF Environmental Sciences December 2023 in live program at Delhi Center and online program live along with the correspondence with video and correspondence only program along with test series. The institute is also providing the program for GATE, Ecology, Evolution, Environmental Science and Engineering. Along with that, we are also providing various programs for master entrances in the field of life sciences as well as environmental sciences. A special program for enhancing the technological skills and bridging the gap between the academic program and the industry, named as data science and environmental sciences, have been offered by the institute. Then 1 month, 2 months, 6 month and 1 year internship in the field of environmental sciences, life sciences and other domains have been offered in collaboration with Green Skill Solution. So those who are interested, they can reach us on our given contact numbers and web page if they are willing to join the program as early as possible. Once again, we would like to congratulate Sanjay Anand for such a remarkable feat. Thank you.